Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Alieya Suhaila Muhammad Murshidi from DPA10013. My matrix number is 20D8023F1001.
My name is NATASYA from D81B. My matrix ID 20D8023F1003.
My name is AMYZA AZWANI from D81B. My matrix number is 20D8023F1009.
Hello, my name is AVRIL and I am from class D81B and my matric ID is 20D8023F1025.
MIA is the only accountancy body empowered by law to regulate the accountancy profession in Malaysia, thus making MIA membership mandatory for those holding themselves out of practicing as an accountant in country. MIA membership encompasses both legal and market recognition for accountants in Malaysia. Members of MIA are conformed with the designation Chartered Accountant Malaysia, abbreviated as CAM. This designation is given to a professional in accountancy, business and finance with recognized accountancy qualification and relevant work experience.
So, we move to the next one is Malaysia Accounting Standard Board, which is MASB. Its function for review, revise and adopt as approved accounting standards, existing accounting standards. Next, issue, approve, review, revise, amend, substitute, suspend, defer, withdraw or revoke any statement of principles, any technical and other release and any other document relating to financial reporting by whatever name called in whole or in part. Next is to sponsor or undertake development of possible accounting standards. Next is it can collaborate with other national and international accounting standards, setters and monitors the development of the other national and international accounting standard. Next, it conducts such public consultation as may be necessary in order to determine the contents of accounting concepts, principles and standards. After that, it can develop a conceptual framework for the purpose of evaluating proposed accounting standard.
Now, let me explain about Malaysia Institute of Chartered Public of Account, or known as MISPA. It was established in 1958, which is another accountancy body that is involved in the training and development of accountants in Malaysia. MISPA has played an instrumental role in the research and development of accounting and auditing standards in Malaysia. The scope of commitment in developing technical standards include reviewing and setting guidelines on the application of international accounting standards and international standards on auditing Malaysia. Secondly, working in consultation with various regulatory authorities in reviewing existing regulation and legislation and in development of new ones. And for the last one is providing government with technical assistance in whatever areas that might require the application and review of technical standards.
So the last one is the Company Commission of Malaysia, SSM, is a statutory body formed as a result of a merge between the Register of Company ROC and the Register of Business ROB in Malaysia, which regulate companies and businesses. SSM came into operation on 16 April 2002. The main activity of SSM is to serve as an agency to incorporate companies and register business, as well as provide company and business information to the public. As the leading authority for the improvement of corporate governance, SSM fulfills its function to ensure compliance with business registration and corporate legislation through comprehensive enforcement and monitoring activities so as to sustain positive development in the corporate and business. So SSM is responsible for administration and enforcement of Companies Commission of Malaysia Act 2001, Company Act 2016, Act 777, Interest Sham Act 2016, Act 778, Registration of Business Act 1956 Act 197, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2012, Trust Company Act 1949 Act 100, Kotu Fund Prohibitions Act 1971 Act 228. Next, any subsidiary legislations made under the Act specifies above, such as Companies Regulation 2017, Interest Shapes Regulation 2017, Registration of Business Rule 1957, Company Commissions of Malaysia, License of Secretaries Regulation 2017, Limited Liability Partnership Regulation 2012.
First thing first, I will introduce you what is source of document. Source of document are the physical basis upon which business transactions are recorded. Source documents are typically retained for use as evidence when the audience later review a company financial statement and need to verify that financial transaction has in fact occurred. So basically, source document usually contain a description of business transaction, the date of the transaction, a specific amount of money, and authorizing signature. So there is so many examples that we can consist from source of documents, such as invoice, receipt, debit note, and deposit slip.
Official receipt is issued by the seller to the buyer as written evidence on sale of service or leasing of properties, as well as acknowledgement on collection of cash payment on service rendered. It serves as basis of the percentage tax liability of the seller.
Hi, Miss.
Hello, what are you searching for?
Actually, this is my first time opening the business. I would like to judge the best sofa. Would you recommend me the best sofa?
Oh, okay. So right now our company has import a new sofa from the other country. So I think this one is the best sofa. The best price because it's only cost like 1,999 ringgit. So do you want to buy it? Because I think this one is the most comfortable sofa that I can recommend to you. Do you want to buy it?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so it costs 1,999 ringgit. Okay. So this I will fill the official receipt to you. So it costs 1,999. Okay, so this is the official receipt. Okay. So,
Thank you.
Okay, later our company will bring this sofa, send it to your company. Okay, thank you.
What is a cash bill? Cash bill is a document that received by cash payment as opposed to an invoice or promise to pay. What is the difference between invoice and cash sales? Cash sale is transaction that records the sale of goods or service for which you receive immediate payment. An invoice transaction records the sale of goods and service when payment is not received at the time of delivery.
I was wondering which one brochure I bought for my engineering essay. Wow, this one. I think this is quite interesting. Oh my god, it doesn't have a price in it. I think I should ask the counter first. Hello, miss. How much of this book?
This book costs 13.
Ah, I see. Can I proceed the order? I want this book. I want this. Okay.
Here you go, miss.
This is the money.
And this is your chance.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is a check? A check is a bill of exchange in which one party orders to the bank to transfer the money to the bank account from another party.
Hello, Miss. So basically, I want to open a small business, and I need a small second-hand car for my small business. Which one do you recommend the most?
Yes, we have a lot types of small car. What is your budget?
I think my budget is below 13,000.
Yes, I recommend you this car because we offer this car 12,500 ringgit. Should we proceed the payment?
Yes, we should. I think I should. Yes, we should, and I will proceed the payment using a check. Is it okay with you?
Yes, sure.
This is the check.
Okay. Thank you.
A purchase journal is a special journal used to record any merchandise purchased on account. The entries in this journal are made based on the invoice received from the supplier on the purchase date. Other names used for the purchase journal are the purchase book, purchase day book, and the credit purchase journal.
Do you guys know what is cash book? Cash book is a financial journal that contains all cash receipt and disbursement, including bank deposits and withdrawals. This is the main area where business record any and all cash-related information.
General journal, simply defined, the general journal refers to a book of original entries, in which accountants and bookkeepers record raw business transactions in order according to the date events occur.